Okay, so I found these cute little things at the store. I don't know how you pronounce it. They said they have cute little things inside. There's 2 of them in each little pack. So I got 2 of them and we are going to open them really quick and see what is inside. Here we go. Ooh, it's like a little ball of something.
Oh, they're squishy. I have no idea what it is, but it's held together by little rubber bands. And we're going to see. There's 2 little squishies in here. There's a couple of stickers. And then there's a squishy. Let's see what squishy these are. Little cloud squishies. So cute.
My goodness, that is so cute. Look how
How cute he is.
Oh my goodness. I think it's supposed to be a bumblebee, maybe? Like a clear, or it's like a dog, maybe? I'm not really sure. I think which one it is. So we have a cloud squishy, and then we have this little guy. Oh, it is like a variation of a bumblebee right there. Just like a clear bumblebee. So cute. All right, on to bag number 2.
These ones are bigger. Yellow one and a gray one. This one's sparkly. Has glitter in it. Oh, cute. It looks like a little Pixar ball, but I know it's not. Alright. Yay! Look at how cute he is. Little star. That's so adorable. It's like a little fairy. And like an angel. She's wearing like a hat. Ah, so cute. More stickers.
What, my goodness, this is my favorite.
I think it's like a little unicorn. Or like a...
Horse. It looks like, or like it kind of looks like a frog. Like a unicorn frog before. But they're so cute and squishy. I love it. And this one is right up here. Oh, well.
And there he looks a little bit more like